I gotta scratch those ones out so we don't get confused by them.
Meat grinder.
All right. Try to go for more random than effective. Oh, is it leaking? Is it leaking out the side? Maybe we should get a different pen. I'm gonna grab something else.
I think meat grinder. I have that whole pencil case.
I got a pen.
Okay.
I think it's also kind of leaky if you touch the tip, you know? Wink. I have this banana that I got for Christmas. It's a maraca.
I didn't get him that for Christmas.
Yeah. My sister got me a bunch of random percussion instruments because I said I like to have random instruments that people can play on the stream. And percussion instruments are nice because pretty much anyone can play percussion. Maybe not on beat, but they can play something like this because you can just be like ambiance.
I say meat grinder, erect.
The suspense is killing me.
Phantasmagorical.
Phantasmagorical?
I don't even know what that word
Okay,
means.
well, we're gonna have some fun.
It's either that or aggressive.
Huh? I think that you should go with Phantasmagorical. Because then I can explain what Phantasmagorical is.
Phantasmagorical erection on a meat grinder.
I think,
I
well,
have to cross out.
I can cross it out because I have a surface, you know? Like a flat surface that's hard.
My leg is hard.
Congratulations.
I'm throwing the pen.
You're like 2 feet away from me.
I
I
didn't
don't
want to
know.
hit your face. I have short arms.
She has this tiny arm problem.
I'm like a T-Rex.
Yeah.
Big hands, little arms. I'm just not so sure how well this plan is thought through. I want to know who the one person watching is. Thank you.
If you are the one person that is watching and you have an account, post something in the chat to give us a heads up of who you are. Maybe we can give you a shout out.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe we'll give our one viewer.
Let's not push it, okay?
We have a lot of stuff to do. We're very busy people.
So you crossed out the ones you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is meat grinder.
We have.
And Phantasmagorical.
So we gotta think. We gotta. We can either think out of the box or we can think in the box, but that might be slightly more painful.
I think in the box.
You think in the box?
That's why I picked those ones. Because you skipped over the bad stuff last.
So we have meat grinder, erect, and phantasmagorical. First off, I need to explain what phantasmagorical is. So phantasmagorical is a word based off of phantasmagoria, which is a dreamlike state. So it's like a stellar kind of just like almost like
Rick and Morty, Jessica Dream.
No, I mean I guess if you're throwing the other words in there, that might kind of get into that section, but. Phantasmagorical is just it. If you look it up, it literally just says a dreamlike state. Or, so this is perhaps we have a we're gonna start with a bed, and so we're gonna have the bed posts like that.
I'm looking at the TV screen, so you haven't started drawing anything yet there.
Yeah, there's a significant delay. Also, that's going to be interesting when it gets to midnight because I was joking with her that midnight will already have happened when we get around to the countdown on stream. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
Like what you guys are viewing would be after midnight.
Oh, I forgot you wanted to watch the ball drop. You probably have to go get that set up later.
Yeah,
if you
later.
want. Yeah. I'll keep an eye on the time. It's 11 o'clock right now. So. Closer to 3.
30 minutes before.
She's fading fast, guys.
I worked 2 shifts today.
Yeah, she was a potted plant. She kind of looked like Piranha Pete from Mario Kart.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm cuter.
Um, I don't know about that.
Hey.
Piranha Pete's pretty cute. Have you ever seen him?
I feel like I have.
He's like a potted plant, but it's a piranha plant.
He's gonna show me.
Piranha. I can't spell piranha.
H.
Pete. There he is. That's Piranha
No,
Pete.
that's terrifying.
He doesn't have any eyes.
I'm a poinsettia.
Yeah.
I was.
She's poisonous to animals. Probably poisonous to humans, but I've never
Probably
eaten any.
poisonous to
So
myself. I struggle.
yeah. Megan tends to be allergic to everything except milk, and well, we're not sure. You're probably allergic to milk.
I'm probably lactose intolerant. I'm not allergic.
Yeah.
I don't
Well,
get
yeah,
itchy
yeah,
or
yeah.
anything.
I get itchy. I don't know if that's normal,
I
but
think I'm definitely gonna have lactose intolerance when I'm older.
yeah,
Because right now it's just kind of like burps, and then certain things make me need the bathroom,
yeah.
like coffee. But I feel like that's just the caffeine.
So we're gonna have the
Yogurts,
covers like this,
pizza.
and there's a pillow, and so we're gonna have
I'm just gonna sleep.
little Johnny here sleeping in the bed, and
Show me, I'm always sleeping.
well, I already drew you today, kind of.
Narco lady.
Yeah, I was working on my comic, so she's Narco Lady's image and character is based off of my girlfriend. If you didn't get that,
If you know me.
yeah, she has this magical power where she just falls asleep randomly.
I guess like
Yeah, well, she can sleep like on command, but Narco Lady's power is that she's narcoleptic, but she's really lucky. So whenever she falls asleep, it's to her benefit. So we have little Johnny here. He's sleeping, and he's
Those are beautiful dream clouds.
yeah, and so we have
We need to eyes on him. It looks like he's suffocating himself.
I did draw eyes. They just haven't shown up on the stream yet.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna have our machinery here, and it's gonna be a rectangular prism. So it's 3-dimensional, and then we have to have this kind of like funnel thing, and it's going to have an intake and an outtake like that, and then so we're gonna have some links of sausage, and they are going to be going into the intake of the meat grinder in this direction. There's going to be spaghettified meat coming out of the other end, and then we're just gonna see a little lump there. And I think that this is pretty complete. I'll add some detail to the meat links until Megan can see it on the screen.
Those are links, the spiral things.
Those are sausage links.
Did you just? Oh, that's right. I forgot what the words were. I was like, did you just give him a boner?
Mm-hmm. So we get some wooden planks here. Well, let's do an actually random one next, and then we'll alternate. Does that sound good?